Hey. So you want to add a finishing touch to your avatar, but you are still not comfortable using Blender. There's a few assets that I have that can be used directly in Unity. This usually works with the objects that only move with one bone. So it can be a choker, horns, tail, or yeah, I'm gonna use my wings in this case. Um, as you can see, I always state if it can be used directly in Unity, just to make it easier for you. So go to your downloaded folder. Um, yeah, this is what you see. First, go back to Unity and make a separate folder. This is just to keep it more organized. We're gonna call it wings. Go back to your downloaded things and yeah, look for the FBX file. It's a 3D object and the texture and drag and drop it in Unity. I don't always include a texture because in some cases using simple material or matte caps looks better. So like that's how I did the pens, for example. Going back to the texture, just left click on it and we're gonna check alpha is transparency because it has some transparent parts. I will also check streaming mip maps because if you don't do this, the VRchat SDK gonna ask for it anyway, and just to save that step. And then I will set the compression to high and the size to 1000 and hit apply. Now we have the texture ready. We're gonna set up the material after we put the wings on her. So drag and drop the wings in your hierarchy or however you pronounce it. And by pressing W, you will see these arrows if you didn't see them already. And just yeah, move it up or down wherever you want it to be. Yes, somewhere there. By pressing E, you can actually rotate it if you don't like the angle it's in, or by pressing R, you can scale it up or down depending the size that you want. Now that we have it in position, yeah, let's say go to your avatar, like open it up, armature, hips, spine, and chest because it's on the chest bone. So actually just drag and drop it on your chest. Now to see if it works, just hit play, go back to scene, and yeah, press W and move your avatar around. You can see that it goes with it. Or actually go to your chest, press E and rotate it. Yeah, you can see that it follows the bone movement. And now, yeah, we're gonna set up the material as well, just so it looks better. I will turn off the long hair so it's not in the way. Just right click on an empty spot here, create material, and I gonna name it wings. I will use the Poyomi shader. Yeah, it's gonna be linked in the description if you don't have it yet. So open up the main part and drag and drop the texture to the main texture. And now, yeah, we're gonna drop the material on the wings. But as you can see, it looks a bit funky. It's because of the transparent areas. And yeah, the rendering preset is opaque by default. We will have to change that to cutout whenever we have something transparent. So now it looks a lot better. And to make it even nicer, um, these wings have some faces that are only visible from one side. So like from the front or the back. Yeah. To fix that, go to rendering options and turn off calling. And now it's visible from both sides and it's more like bushy. Yeah, I hope that this helped. And all you need to do now is set up the dynamic bonds and you are all set to go. I might do a tutorial on that as well later on. So I hope you have a nice day. Bye bye.